Well, the major challenges facing the mining industry is that if you bring to production of each mine, there are always some problems with that. For example, it might delay in production, they're always behind the schedule, and the budget is so easily gone over the investment. And also, as soon as the production begins, there are always some unexpected technical challenges come along. We think those are well, we've seen quite a lot of those cases in the past 25 years, which is a company's history. I think the reason for that is that the technical discussion wasn't done very thoroughly before taking into action, and they might hire some technicians from so-called very experienced technicians who just copied the experience from the last project into this one, but actually it doesn't really fit into this mine's characteristics. And also another reason might be that this company has gone to so many suppliers. They've done their testing in this company and bought some equipment from the other company and hires another team to do the installation. So when it comes to production, everything's not compatible with each other. So if anything goes wrong, it will be very difficult to find who's responsible for that, and they always say it's someone else's fault. So we think those. Well, actually, we have seen that the challenges in the past few years for our mining customers. For the customization and EPC, we think the reason that Xinhai has raised that way to do the business is because that in the past 25 years, we've seen the challenges, and we believe that there are no mines identical in the world, especially when it comes to overseas mining investments. They happen in Africa, South Africa, Southeast Asia, very far away distances, and the characteristics vary a lot. So each mine shall be taken and studied specifically for its own characteristics and brought forward their own technical solutions to that. And that is why customization is very important. And another thing for EPC is that we think that compatibility is very, very important. To bring a mine to production, you need to do testing from an institute, and you need to do the design and then buy equipment mostly from China. But we think that EPC project shall be done in this way, that Xinhai has its own design institute and mechanic institute and own factory. So for EPC project should be that a company take over from A to Z, from the beginning to the end, and will never stop when capacity is actually reached. And I think that way will solve the challenges. And the company should have like weekly meetings with the design people and the mechanical staff, and also the factory people. So everyone will be on the same page, and everything will be compatible with each other. Well, we think the correct order for mining projects should be a thorough due diligence taken place after the purchase, and do a thorough technical economic analysis with the correct way of samplings, the correct way of technical solutions, and then find an EPC supplier that does the engineering for you, the equipment manufacturing for you, and source the auxiliary equipment, and go to the site to do the installation and commissioning. And in the past experiences, Xinhai can start from testing and finish in commissioning in 6 to 8 months, and this is very quick, I think. And because before, usually a project would take 2 to 3 years in that part. Well, I think it's very good because I get to see the new technologies, and it's always good to see what is new and to see what other people think about this industry. And I get to meet several interesting people, interesting companies, and to do business with them. So I think it's very good.